How to add this PC icon to desktop on Windows 10. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add this PC icon to your desktop in Windows 11. It's super simple, so now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, right click on any empty space on your desktop and select Personalize from the menu. Now next, scroll down and click on Themes. After that, look for Desktop Icon Settings and click on it. Now from here, you will see a list of system icons, so simply check the box next to computer, and this is this PC icon and any other icon you would like to show. And once you have done that, click apply and hit OK. And that's it. Now this PC icon should appear on your desktop. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.